Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the environment and confirming recovery details, because identity checks follow. First, make sure you control the recovery email or phone. Once done, sign into the account on a private network and trusted device. Next, navigate directly to settings right arrow security or account right arrow change password. You may be asked to verify your identity with a code. Enter it promptly. This preps the system to accept a new password and prevents lockouts when you proceed. You now create the replacement password, and you need both strength and uniqueness. Choose a 12+ character passphrase combining unrelated words, numbers, and symbols. This increases entropy while remaining memorable. Once you enter the new password, make sure the site accepts it and then save it safely, ideally in a password manager, because repeating passwords creates risk. At the same time, enable two-factor authentication. Using an authenticator app is stronger than SMS, and it prevents unauthorized access even if a password is compromised. You finish by securing every access point and validating the change. Sign out of other sessions, update stored passwords on phones and browsers, and test login on another device so you confirm the new credentials work. Then generate and print or securely store recovery codes. Keep them offline. If something goes wrong, say you get locked out, use the recovery email or phone immediately or follow the account provider's recovery flow. If that fails, contact support with ID verification to regain access.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.